Blow the candle. Can you eat this cake? Aw, that was so sweet, Kim. Oh man, that smells so good.
Look, Michaela.
Oh, that's cute.
Out of her room, she's missing all the fun.
Now let me sing this out. Oh Lord. Is it good? Really? I wasn't sure what it's gonna be. I didn't want to waste my money, you know.
Oh,
It tastes like straight caramel and like cake.
It's the balance, you know that, right? It's the way how they make it. Imagine if the cake wasn't
wow.
this moist, it wouldn't go together like that. A little bit too bready.
What is this thing in between a fudge or?
Between the cake,
Caramel, isn't it?
Is it caramel?
what, this cream?
Yeah.
It's a cream, like a cream. Flavored cream, like a whipped cream.
Oh my gosh. It's, you know, it tastes like sponge cake. Like,
Yeah. Like it.
that's good.
You could heat it up, I guess, because it's in the refrigerator.
Oh, this would be so good with like a cup of hot chocolate or something.
Yeah, even the milk.
This is really good.
I like it.
That's a vlog.
Hi!
Hey fams, happy Thursday. We're on fall break. Oh, Lord. We're on fall break and I am so happy about it, you guys. We get to just relax. I have a lot of things that I have going on. And I do have some friends that are coming to visit me this weekend. So we are super excited, super stoked. I am here with Mikey BZ. We're actually getting ready to take him into his orthodontist. They're going to get ready to do what they do. So just wanted to take you guys along and hope you guys are having a fantabulous morning. All right, so let's go on in. Mikey and I are here in his orthodontic appointment and we are actually taking his braces off that he has on and re-adding new braces because the bottom teeth, his bottom teeth, he has 2 canines that are growing in, but there's nowhere for them to go, so they're actually pushing forward the bottom row of his teeth, and so we have to get those 2 canines removed on the bottom as well as on the top. So that's what we're making room for now. So they are actually going to be taking his braces out and we're going to be putting them back on, and he's going to have them on for another 2 years. He's had his this braces, the one that they're taking off, he's had those for 2.5 years, you guys. And so that's what he's doing. That's what they're doing right now, and they're taking the glue off and everything. So it's been a crazy journey with him and these braces. I know he wants them off so badly, but the bottom part of his teeth just needs some time to grow in and everything so that he can have his perfect smile that he is looking for. So that is what we are doing here now, and this orthodontic is absolutely amazing, you guys. They are incredible and they were so much fun and so professional, and their customer service was just bar none. I mean, they did such an awesome and amazing job and made the experience such a great experience for us. So we are so excited to be with them, and for them to be really just taking care of my baby boy. And he has like the best smile, the best attitude, and just overall I am just so proud of him and so happy for him that he is getting to get the best smile that he possibly can get. So that's why we're here, and we're looking forward to seeing his full smile and his teeth the way that he wants it to, when it's all said and done. So
so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored.
I just wanted to let you guys know, I know it seems invasive, but he actually didn't mind me filming. He wanted to keep this for his record and for him to see his journey, how far he came. So he did not mind me filming at all. I also asked the orthodontics if it was okay for me to film. I didn't film anyone else, and you know, all the attention was geared towards my son. So for those of you that are worried about, you know, him being his privacy and everything, he was okay with me filming it so he can have it for himself. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will never do anything to invade my kids' privacy, not for views, not for money, not for anything. All right, so just want to clear the air and put that little disclaimer in.
And it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road.
Oh man, that was so good. How do you feel? Does it feel better than the last one? Yeah? Nice.
Trying to make sure that I can take out the rest. I can see my reflection. I'm like, no, I don't want to. No, so you will want to brush 3 or 4 times a day. 4 times is a little bit excessive, so 3 times is good. But if you want to have, like, let's say you eat snacks during the day, you can get that 4 times. Okay. That includes flossing and all that, because if not, your teeth will turn like this. You definitely don't want that to happen. This is a real picture, by the way. Right here. So this person's teeth were perfect, you know, no scratches, no nothing, everything was perfect. They decided to get braces and not take care of it, and that's how it turned out.
Oh.
You can see a little hole right there. I bet you that doesn't feel good. Doesn't look good either. Just a little hint that ladies don't like that either.
So you guys, I had to do a voiceover because the music in Walmart was so loud, and I could put music over it, but if I do, the music is going to drown out me talking. So I just wanted to let you guys know, we were in Walmart, and this sweetest little gentleman, he came up to us and was telling us about the My Texas House garlands. So someone apparently purchased them and returned them, so they marked them down, and the Christmas tree, that little tree that's viral, you can't find it anywhere, so they were all marked down half price. The tree was originally $64.98 and it was $32, and then the garlands were originally $34, I believe, and it came up to $18.36. So I had to grab them. I couldn't leave them because I needed garlands, because my garlands are still in New York. So I needed garlands, and the tree, I've been looking for that tree since last year, you guys. It was sold out online, it was sold out in stores, and this year it's still sold out. So they actually had 2 there, and I took 1, and I was so happy that I was able to get it because I was looking for it for such a long time. By the way, I went into Walmart for toilet paper. So we are home, you guys. We're home from the dentist, and we stopped off at Walmart, as you can see. And I just got done making breakfast, but it's after 2, almost 3 o'clock. I just felt for some bacon and eggs. So I just made some, and the kids are eating. But I'm just sitting here watching Great American Family all Christmas, all day, every day. Like, yeah, it's that time of year, you guys. We are ready. Let me just say, I'm ready. I'm ready to start decorating for Christmas, like today. We are on fall break, and we're home, and I'm just like, I'm in full-blown organizational mode. I am in full-blown ready to decorate for Christmas mode, and getting that tree and the garlands, I'm like, my brain is spinning. Like, my brain is spinning, and I'm just ready. I'm ready to bust out the decorations that I do have and start decorating my trees and everywhere. Like, I just feel that vibe. You know what I mean? It's just such a happy time of year, and giving what all I've been going through, I'm just ready to kind of just unleash some Christmas decorations. But my kids asked me to hold off because they're just like, Mommy, can we just celebrate fall? And you know, fall is my favorite season, but Christmas is my favorite holiday. So we're gonna work it out. We're gonna chill out for fall. And you know, November is when? November 1st, that's it. It's my birthday, by the way. But November 1st, it's decoration time, y'all. I might even start a little bit earlier than November because we don't celebrate Halloween. So I actually might start decorating in October, but we'll see. We'll see. But I am definitely ready to do some serious Christmas decorating. And I wanted to go back to Goodwill and see what they have. That's Mikey. He's about to feed the dogs. I wanted to go back to Goodwill and see what all they have there. And I know that I did pass up some gray couches, and I have to go back in the video and actually watch it. But they were so nice. So I'm gonna, you know, go back to Goodwill and see what they have there once I get paid again. So yeah, so I am gonna get ready to kind of start doing some organization, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So welcome to a day in the life, a day in the life vlog. So hey fam, so my totes got here, my basket, just a couple of my totes. I'm so grateful that my friends, my neighbors, my New York family, they were able to come down here on their way to Tennessee and stop off and bring me my Christmas decor. I still have a couple more totes that has Christmas decor, but this is the two that I really needed, with all my red decor in there. And of course I have my Texas house tree. I do have the garlands inside the closet, and then these are just a little bit of fall stuff that I have that I'm actually going to be putting on the tree in my bedroom. So I am so stoked, you guys. I am super excited about it. I have my candlesticks, I have all my candles, all my wooden trees, and some of my garlands and picks, and all my berries. I am just so happy right now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that they're actually here. And I just want to decorate. I really want to decorate for Christmas, but everyone is just like, no. My kids are like, Mommy, can we just wait to get through Thanksgiving? So, of course we are. I'm not going to decorate now. Of course we're going to wait. We're not going to decorate now. I'm in that mood. I'm in the mood to decorate, so, you know, but I'm super excited about it. They're actually, forgive my hair, you guys. I literally just got up out of bed and wanted to end this vlog. But they went back to their hotel last night because they're going to be back here today, and we're just going to chill out and hang out. Oh my gosh, y'all, we had so much fun last night with them. It was so much fun, like just catching up and talking and laughing. It just was so good to see them. And on top of that, I just was so grateful that they would, go out of their way to, you know, bring me all of this, because they went to Tennessee first and then they drove. Tennessee, I believe, is like 2.5 hours from here, but with traffic it took them about 5.5 hours. And they did that just for me and my kids. So I am just super grateful. So grateful. So I'm excited to see them again today. And we're going to hang out. And then I'm going to get Michaela together because she's actually going on a youth trip to Alabama. The church, was such a blessing and helped us out with that. And so she's going to the youth trip to Alabama, which she's never been to Alabama before. So that's going to be exciting. So I got to drop her off for that. And then I'm going to come back home and we're just going to continue hanging out. And then they're going to go home back to Tennessee. So I am just so happy right now, y'all. I am so happy right now. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I have something very fun that's taking place, and I'm not going to tell you. I am going to surprise you guys with it in the next video that will be coming up on Sunday. I'm sorry. So I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.